Hello guys, welcome to another hotel review from Bangkok, Thailand. You are watching DoMoreLife. My name is Jeremy Clodfelter, and this is the studio premiere suite, I guess you could say, that I stayed in last night. I had a photo shoot to do here yesterday, so it worked out wonderful. This is a absolutely fantastic, marvelous, wonderful hotel. It is located, this room is located in the Vic3 in Bangkok. I will have more information on where exactly that is located in the description below the video, should you choose to want to stay here. My only suggestion is to not get the twin beds, not to get a double, but to get one twin bed. I accidentally made that mistake last night, and I really wanted to stretch out. It was a little bit difficult to do that. Let's look at some of the amenities that the hotel has to offer. You can see here you have your basics and Wi-Fi, bedroom linen, in-room electronic safe, the standard stuff that you would normally get. But there's also a big television, a small refrigerator. There's a restaurant, a private car park, daily housekeeping services. You have your electric key card. Lots of surveillance around this place. There are a number of rooms that you can stay in. Now this is what I chose. Sorry, you can see the shadows from the camera here. The studio premiere was on sale. Normally this is the bigger room, and this is the room that you're looking at. So normally it was $169. I happened to get this one for $45 on hotels.com, which I'm a frequent of. You can see that they only have 13 of these rooms available, while having 74 of the studio twin and 75 of the studio executive. And if you look, the studio executive is about 22 square meters, and this one, the studio premiere, is approximately 30 square meters. So very, very nice. I was very, very happy with the room itself. As I said, it bolsters a very large television. Underneath here, we will have a refrigerator. I will show you what that looks like. And of course, those are my Coca-Colas in there. But that is what the refrigerator looks like. It does take a while after you turn the power on in here for it to get cold. And speaking of power, you will notice out the window here, you have a good view, very good view of the BTS. You also have a good view of the building beside you, which actually helps reflect some of the light into here. So that's why they have the different kind of the daily shades, and they also have the darkening shades, which will of course darken the room to the point where it's completely dark. So if you have to sleep at night in complete darkness, that's not really a problem. 2 lamps beside each bed. I personally kind of like these lamps. They made for sufficient lighting throughout the night. Last night, as I was loading my computer and going to bed, they have a chair here at a nice desk with a very nice desk lamp. This lamp is very bright. I'm not going to turn it on now, but in here you will find plug-ins, AV for the TV in case you want to plug anything special in. They also give you, let me push this all the way up because it has a mirror in here, and I want you guys to be able to see this. They have a scan for more, and you can see what all that involves. So you can literally scan a QR code and have room service, delivery, the in-room facilities list in case you lose anything. That's how much it costs. You can take your time and go back and look in case you were wondering or worried about losing anything. I like the drop down right here with this is a pull-out chair that you will see. Just give it a little tug, and then you can pop it open, and it has storage in it as well. I think that's pretty cool. Just my personal belief. But you can sit here. The cool thing is you can sit there and you can work on the smaller desk that has grips on it in case you need anything not to move. So that was pretty nice and convenient, I thought. We have a electronic locking safe in this drawer, as most do. The hot water tea kettle, they provide you with coffee, etc. Also, we have a nice large wardrobe here. There is an extra pillow. There's a hair dryer. There's a few extra hangers for you, 2 robes, and you can have laundry service done by filling up the laundry bags and following the instructions that you see on the paper there. Looks like it cost about 200 baht, which is not bad. That's a little over $6 for Americans, in case you guys were wondering. One of my favorite things about this hotel room, and the reason I chose it, especially with the photo shoot idea in mind that we did here yesterday, was these closing blind bathrooms. So you can obviously close the blinds off, but you can also leave them open, and it gives a very unique effect. So we'll take a little tour of the restroom here, and to do that I'm going to come all the way in. I'm going to close the doors behind me, and you can see that I closed the wrong one first. That's kind of a look at the shower that you're seeing right now while I am trying to close the door. And there's the lock. So that's a lock on the door, and that's kind of what it looks like. For some reason there's a telephone in the bathroom. I don't know why. Never seen that before. There's also your standard toilet here. We got the bum gun. Plenty of mirrors so you can see yourself. The lighting comes in the shower great, and of course you can see my beautiful face now in the mirror. I like the circular sink for so many reasons. Plenty of water pressure everywhere. 2 glasses there. They have a shower cap, soap, and Q-tips, of course. You also have a place over here for some general electronics that you would likely use in a restroom. Tissue paper is available there, and we want to walk in and look at the shower. But first I need to open this door a little bit so we can get some more light. There is one light in the shower, as you will see. This is a I hope the video does it justice, because this is quite a large shower, to be honest. You can see that you have your regular shower here, and then you have the rain head. I use them both just to try them out. I can tell you that the hot water is extremely hot, and the water pressure is just great. But this is kind of how big this shower is. It's very long. And of course you have the glass that sees directly into the sink. And the door to the shower, as we're coming out, that's looking into the bedroom. But as we're coming out, the actual door for the shower closes, such as, and has your towels hanging on the outside, which I think is a pretty good idea. Also, you'll notice the 2 towels hanging down by the sink. I like the way they did that. That's kind of an upgrade from what I'm used to. My bags are over here in the corner, but there is also a mirror in case you want to get dressed. It is a more than full length mirror. It's probably 8 feet tall, I would imagine. These look like 8 feet ceilings here, and then perhaps 9 or 10 in the living area. Thermostat is super easy to use. No big deal. This is room 5004, and really the easiest thermostat I've ever used in my life. If you want the temperature to go up or down, just mash it and it'll go there. Fan speed, you can turn it up, down, whatever. I have it on low right now so it won't be interrupting the review itself, there is your Vic3 Bangkok emergency exit plan, and also some notes on what to do. They do have Wi-Fi here. I did not use the Wi-Fi here. I use my own Wi-Fi. I do that for various reasons, but I can tell you that the Wi-Fi here is basic. You can pay for an upgrade. So, with all that being said, I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this room review and the hotel information I've given you. Alright guys, as far as hotel information goes, I'm not going to be able to go down and show you everything, just because I think that there are people down there that would look harshly upon a guy standing around with a camera. So know that there is a restaurant downstairs, a full-scale restaurant, but they have the most incredible prices. I mean, I ate this Thai dish last night, which consisted of some type of green leafy vegetable, garlic, and duck egg for 135 baht. I mean, it was really, really, really cheap or inexpensive. The food quality was amazing. The wait staff, amazing. The hotel staff here, amazing. As far as getting you booked in and that kind of thing, absolutely just amazing. I would recommend this hotel 10 out of 10 times for all those reasons. And I think I left out that there's a huge lobby downstairs, and there's a coffee shop in that lobby before you get to the restaurant. So if you're thinking about staying in this area of Bangkok, the Vic3 is the place to stay. Whatever you guys do today, I hope you decide to do more life.